This 2026 Prime Time Avenger 27 REI is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Prime Time is 32 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, TV antenna, smoke detector, LP detector, TV, oven, air conditioning, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Prime Time Avenger 27 REI is 7,251 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.